Students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start question number 7 of exercise 7D. Question number 7 is construct a triangle ABC where measurement AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and measurement AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Students, simply we draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter AB. AB is our base. Using a ruler, we have to draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. Now students, we have to open our compass of 5.5 centimeter and we intersect from these 2 points. Then we have to join this point with A and B. Now our triangle is ready. Question number 8 is construct a triangle IJK where measurement IJ is equal to 5.5 centimeter and measurement JK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and measurement IJK, measurement angle IJK is equal to 60 degree. Students, we have to draw a line segment base line of 5.5 centimeter IJ. Then we draw the angle of 60 degree because J's angle is of 60 degree. Using a protractor, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Here the angle is 60 degree. Now students, we join 60 degrees angle with J and then we join this point with I. Now our triangle is ready. Question number 9 is construct a triangle ABC where measurement angle A is equal to measurement angle B is equal to 60 degree and measurement line segment AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Students, using a ruler, we draw a line of 5.5 centimeter. This is our baseline. Then we know our two angles of base AB are of 60 degree. We use a protractor to find the angle of 60 degree from here and here. Then we join these 2 points with we join this point with A and B and triangle is ready. Now students, question number 10 is construct a triangle PQR where measurement angle P is equal to 53 degree and measurement angle Q is equal to 47 degree and measurement PQ is equal to 7.5 degree. Students, simply we draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeter. This is our baseline. Then we have to draw an angle of 47 degree because Q is of 47 degree. We use a protractor to draw this angle. Then we draw an angle of 53 degree using a protractor. Then we join this point with P and Q. Now our triangle is ready. Then students, question number 11 is construct a triangle JKL where measurement angle J is equal to 68 degree and measurement angle K is equal to 82 degree. What is the measurement angle L? Students, we draw a baseline with the help of a ruler JK. Then students, we have to draw an angle of 82 degree. Using a protractor, we find the angle of 82 degree, then the angle of 63 degree, like this. Then students, we join this point where these two angles intersect to each other. Now we match these two lines with J and K using a ruler. Question number 12 is construct a triangle LMN where measurement angle LMN is equal to 35 degree, measurement angle MLN is equal to 45 degree. What is measurement angle MNL? Students, we draw a base line ML with the help of a ruler. Then we draw the angle L of 45 degree using a protractor, and then angle M is of 35 degree using a protractor. Then students, we have to find the measurement of angle L using a protractor like this, and then we have to write its measurement is 82 degree. Students, question number 13 and the last question of this exercise is construct a triangle whose one base angle is of 90 degree and the other angle is 40 degree. We draw a baseline using a ruler. Then the first base angle is of 90 degree and the second base angle is of 40 degree. Now students, we have to match this point, and the name of these 3 points of triangle A, B and C. Okay students, today's lecture is complete. Allah Hafiz.